Hi guys, a lot of people are looking for ways to restore their old photos. In this video, I will share 3 easy ways for photo restoration, including free methods. Method 1. Google Gemini. We can access the Gemini app on PC or mobile device. You can find the official access link in the description. Then import your old photo into the dialog. Next, type in the prompt like this one. Restore and colorize this image without changing the original look of the people, and click on Submit. Gemini will then generate a new image based on your original image. We can see that the old black and white image is well restored as new. You may try generating more times to get a better result. Method 2. HitPaw Photo P. It is a powerful desktop AI photo editor and enhancer. We can simply click on the Enhance Photos Now button to use the feature. Drag and drop your old photos here. On the right panel, find Repair and Colorize. Click on it. There are multiple AI models designed for restoring old photos in different cases. Each model comes with an introduction. What we want to do is select a proper model, like this high-quality restore model in this case. Then click on Generate. When it is completed, we have the old photo restored as new while every detail is kept well. Those little dirts and scratches are also fixed nicely. Method 3. AI Marvels. This method is perfect for mobile devices including Android and iOS. Tap AI Lab, scroll down, and there is a photo restoration function. Tap it. It allows you to easily repair old photos in seconds. Then import your old photo to continue, and seconds later, we have the old photo repaired as new again. If you like, you can tap Bring to Life button. The AI will animate the photo and give you more surprises. Here is the result after bringing it to life. It must be a great moment for the lovers to memorize. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching. See you next time.